up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today we are doing a video on 5 looks with the Huda Beauty Retrograde palette. I've been wanting to do this. This came out during the holiday, but I haven't had time to play with it, so I was like, I need to do 5 looks with this eyeshadow palette because it is a gorgeous, stunning look. So if you guys like these 5 looks with one eyeshadow palette, don't forget to comment down below, turn on the notifications, and subscribe to my channel so I can do more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the lavender color called Libra, and I'm going to work that shade into my crease. And I really love this color. This color is super pigmented. It actually goes true to my skin tone. It actually looks like the lavender color. I thought it was going to look really ashy on my eyes, but it did not. It looks really nice. And this look is going to be very simple. It's just going to be 2 colors, keep it cute, keep it easy. And then on the lids, I went in with the color Ultraviolet, and I just tabbed that onto my lids. And that is pretty much the look. And I just take the same color down my eyes, add some lashes, and we are done. Okay guys, we went ahead and finished look number 1. I went ahead and paired it with a bold lip color. I went with Kat Von D Aisha liquid lipstick. If you want, you can go in with a nude and it will look just as beautiful. You could definitely rock this to a night out as a soft glam. Maybe not extend this out so much and maybe just focus on the top and then just wear a nude lip, and it's a really easy soft glam. Super pretty. I just love this eyeshadow look. It's so good. Let's go on to look number 2. Okay guys, so going into look 2, I went ahead and take Hot Mess, and I put Hot Mess into my crease, and I keep it in the crease, just working it into the crease. This is going to be a very sultry, really cute look. I'm not really going to stick to one shade. I really want to take this palette far, and I want to test out all the shades. And I'm also going to go ahead and use Vortex, and I'm going to work Vortex into the outer corner of my eyes and my crease, and I'm just going to really massage it and blend it into Hot Mess. And as you can see, the blending is perfect. This is such a perfect blend. The mattes blended perfectly. It was no patchiness, no streakiness. And even when you layered it, it just got better. With every layer, the color Vortex got better and better. I was really scared that Vortex wasn't going to perform so good. And then I just went in on the lid and I took Supernova and I mixed it in with a little bit of Frazzled Gold Glitch. And I created the shade and I just pressed that into my crease. Well, into my lid. Okay guys, for look number 3, I went in really simple and no fuss type of look. I went in with the shade Karma, and I just really worked that into my crease. Kept it very easy. Karma was an okay color. I felt like it was a little too ashy for me, and it didn't really complement my skin tone. It was a little too ashy, but if you put a warm color underneath it, it will look a lot more complementing to your brown skin tone. And then as for my top of the thing, I just went in with Saffron, and no, not Saffron, I'm sorry, Supernova or Gold Glitch, and then I mix it with Frazzled. I was really into mixing the glitters for these looks because it just looks so much better when you mix the glitters in. This isn't my favorite look, and I wasn't too impressed by how these color combos went together. And then I also went ahead and tested out not wearing any lashes with this look, so it was not my favorite look, but it is a super cute look. It's wearable, it's doable, not my favorite, you guys. Okay, so this is look number 3 with the Huda Beauty Look number 3 with the Huda Beauty palette. I decided to put no lashes on, which is insane. I wanted to show you guys a more everyday, easy, non-lash wearing look, because I know not everyone wears tons of lashes, because some people just don't. I need to wear lashes every day because I like to. I think it looks better on me, but at the same time, I'm embracing just a no lash face. Let me know down below if you're a lash or no lash person. Let's go on to look number 4.
Okay, guys, so look number 4 is ultimately my favorite look. I go in with shade Haze, and then after I go in with the shade Haze, I'm going to go in with the shade Libra, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Utopia. I love how these mattes blended. They blended amazing. It's a super colorful, pastel-y dream type of makeup look. I loved how these pastels were not streaky at all. They were like butter. They went on like butter. They went on super pigmented. They all complemented each other. It was as if these 3 colors were meant to be worn together. It gave me a very euphoria vibe. It gave me a very sweet, colorful vibe. I don't know. I really love the uniqueness of these colors, and it's a lot of the reasons why I actually bought this palette, because I loved those colors a lot.
It's very colorful, it's very pastel-y, it's very pretty. There are so many pastel colors, so these are very pastel-y. So I was like, I cannot do anything without, I cannot do 5 looks without doing a really pastel-y look. I made it super wearable, so this, I mean, of course you're not gonna wear this to work, but if you're, going to a pool party, or you're going to a summer vibe, or you're going to something Eastery and fun, or you just want to take beautiful pictures of yourself and something fun and creative like this, do it. I think this is gorgeous. I love it. It actually looks really nice, and it's a really nice way of like putting color onto your eyes. And people are definitely gonna stare at you, because people stared at me so hard when I had this on my face. Like, I went out and came back and filmed this for you guys. Like, came back and filmed the intro, and people were really staring at me. So yeah, this is look number 4. Let's go on to look number 5, the final look.
Okay, guys, so this is look number 5, and this is the final look. And I'm gonna have to admit, I had to use Libra again, because I think Libra, the lavender color, is the star of this palette. And I just wanted to put that color all over my lids and just show that color so much love. So I went ahead and put Libra all over my lids to just see how it would look with just one color on the lid, especially a lavender color. I do feel like I needed an eyeliner, so I went ahead and did like a severe cat liner, and it just brought the look together, and it was a stunning, beautiful, amazing look. Kept it really simple and wearable. I really wanted to make these looks super easy and wearable for you guys, so that was really important throughout the whole video.
So this is the last and final look of 5 looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. After doing 5 looks with this palette, I'm gonna say that this is really good. The mattes are really good. They're nice and creamy, and being a lavender, this looks so good on my brown skin. It looks so good. It's not patchy. It's creamy. It's really nice. This is the first time where I can say Huda has a really high quality palette, and definitely these big, huge palettes, they have improved a lot. I still have a problem with her Obsessions, the mini ones. I still haven't seen a high improvement in those, but I've seen a major improvement in this palette. The formula was amazing. They were so good. I am so impressed. I definitely think you should purchase this palette while it's still available. I don't know if it's limited edition, but I know it just came out. Definitely worth the purchase. Let me know what you think. I'm definitely going to do a bunch of videos like this, 5 looks with one palette. I'm going to have a series, so be sure to look out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do 2 a month or 1 a month. We'll see. We'll see how things go. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for really being there for me, and I love you guys. Bye.